Go ahead and grab your controller. Make sure it's plugged in to your PS5 and that you shut down the PS5. From there, if you have a disc version, the bigger button is your power button. The smaller one's the disk drive. With the PlayStation 5 turned off, press and hold the power button. You're going to hear a beep. Momentarily, roughly 5 seconds in, you'll hear another beep. Remove the finger from the power button, and you shall be prompted with a screen that looks like this. This is your safe mode. This is a new feature, number 3, that's been added, repair console storage. If you want to update, you want to completely reset your PS5 because you want to sell it, whatever. Okay? But we're going to focus on 6. Clear the cache and rebuild the database. And when you select 6, I suggest going in order. Clear the system software cache. And that's just that. As options, or updates rather, pile up, get garbled, things can get a little wonky. It's almost like clearing the registry. Well, not really, but registry, cache, whatever. You can Google it if you don't believe me, but the option is there, and no, it's not going to wipe out anything. I can promise you, because I've done it, so I know for sure. Once that's done, which it takes, like I said, a handful of seconds, go ahead and select number 2 to rebuild your database. Now, to give you some perspective, I've got about 4.5 terabytes of games installed online, and it took between 5 and 7 minutes. It was relatively quick. If you've, got no games because you're a cheap bastard, I'm just kidding. It'll literally take you under a minute, right? So it's going to be dependent on how much stuff you have. They estimate up to 2 hours. Oh my God. You'd need 100 terabytes of games or something like that. It'd be ridiculous. Anyways, and when you do that, again, you can Google these two things separately. PS5 rebuild database, PS5 clear system software cache. It just organizes things and keeps everything nice and neat and tidy on the back end of, the PS5. And that's it. So, there you have it. Oh, and in case you're wondering, why am I using pictures and not just actually showing you? I'll tell you. Because the PS5, I don't know about my Xbox there, but on the PS5, you actually have to uncheck DHCP something. Otherwise, when you record the gameplay, literally nothing shows up. It's like it doesn't even detect that your PlayStation 5 even exists. So it's literally impossible unless I use a camera phone or something with the 50,000 different lenses at the back and then actually record it. I could have done that and then voiced over it with, I said, piss on that, I'll just show you pictures and explain it. So, there you have it. I'd like to think it's pretty clear and concise. But yeah, that's why I did that. I don't know of anybody that's actually able to record the safe mode screen of their PS5. And I don't even think the Xbox has one because I think it does it automatic. I don't know. I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. So, if you liked the video, a thumbs up, as it does greatly help support the channel. You didn't like it, that's fine. Go ahead, give it a thumbs down. We'll bend it in half, we'll twist it, we'll do all the usual stuff. But this time you're going to be stuck hearing the raindrops. Forever. And my annoying, persistent voice lingering in the back of your head until the end of time. But if you want to subscribe to the channel, maybe we can work something out. But if not, well, that's on you. Thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care. And maybe I'll see some of you in the next one. Bye for now.